In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Indeed account. If you no longer need your account because you've already found a job, or you simply want to reduce your online presence, deleting your account is a straightforward process. However, it's important to follow each step carefully, since this action is permanent and cannot be undone once completed. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Indeed website. Once the homepage loads, log in to your account using your credentials. This step is necessary because account settings can only be accessed when you are signed in. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where your profile icon is located. Click on it to open a drop-down menu containing several account options. From this menu, look for the Settings option and select it. Inside the Settings area, you will find different sections that allow you to manage your account preferences. Here, navigate to the Account Settings section. This is where all major account-related controls are stored, including privacy and closure options. Once you are inside Account Settings, look for the option that says Close My Account. This is the step that begins the process of permanently removing your account. Before proceeding, it is important to understand that closing your account will delete all associated data, including your resume, job applications, and saved preferences. If you are certain about your decision, click on Close My Account to continue. At this point, you may be asked to confirm your identity by entering your password or completing a security check. This verification step ensures that the request is intentional and secure. After completing the confirmation process, your account will be permanently closed. You will no longer be able to access any of your previous information or recover any data linked to the account. And that is the complete process for deleting your Indeed account. It is always a good practice to carefully manage your online accounts, especially when they contain personal information, to maintain your privacy and digital security. If you ever need help in the future, you can always refer to official support resources or contact the Help Center for assistance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.